Check out these 10 woodworking gadgets that will make your work more precise, speed up your projects, and change your craft. Rockler Quick Release Multi-Clamp. Rockler Quick Release Multi-Clamps are versatile woodworking clamps. They have 3 interchangeable heads, F-style, T-shaped, and round posts. These clamps hold complex assemblies, grip small pieces, and secure fences on table saws. They have quick release mechanisms and adjustable jaws. Each pair costs $40. These clamps help you save time and have many uses. They work with router table jigs. This makes them a key tool to improve precision and speed in the workshop. Hilti Nuron Miter Saw SM60 and 22. The Hilti Nuron Miter Saw SM60 and 22 stands out as a top-tier battery-powered miter saw. It can make up to 450 cuts on a single charge, ensuring precision in each cut. This saw boasts a dual-rail sliding design, a 6-speed dial, and an LED shadow line to help align cut. It works well in tight spaces, cutting both wood and metal with ease. Its portable nature, ability to customize speed, and enhanced safety features make it a valuable tool priced at $869. Which tools would boost your workshop's capabilities the most? The Rockler multi-clamps or the Hilti Nuron Miter? Share your thoughts below. Bosch GLM 50C Laser Distance Measurer. The Bosch GLM 50C Laser Distance Measurer gives super precise readings up to 165 feet. It has some cool extras like Bluetooth, angle sensing, and a lit-up screen. This makes it great to map out spaces and plan projects. You can grab one for about $120. It's a handy gadget that syncs and works well even when it's dark. Starrett Combination Square Set. The Starrett Combination Square Set helps Craftsman create precise layout. It boasts a steel blade, hardened and heat-treated, with both metric and imperial markings. This tool excels at marking accurate 90-degree and 45-degree angles for joinery work. You can buy it for about $45. Professionals value it for its toughness, lightweight, and trustworthy precision. Give a thumbs up if this info about woodworking gadgets proves useful to you. DeWalt 20 volts Max XR Brushless Cordless Belt Sander DCW220. The DeWalt comes with a strong brushless motor that lets you control the speed. You can change the belt quickly and hook up a dust port to keep things clean while you sand. People like it because you can carry it around, and it works well to get surfaces ready and finish big wood areas. It's comfortable to hold and costs $299. Rockler Dust Right 4-inch Wall Mount Cyclone Dust Separator. The Rockler Dust has an influence on workshop cleanliness and safety. This dust collection system uses 2-stage separation to catch fine dust and wood chips. It saves floor space and costs $250. It also helps to reduce how often you need to empty it and do maintenance. This makes it a great choice for wood shops that want to manage dust well and stay healthy. Up next, you won't believe this tiny woodworking helper exists. Red House Tools EZ Wings Pro EZP36. The Red House Tools has aluminum support wings that expand. These wings come with T-tracks built in, allowing them to work with all kinds of accessories and grow as needed. This makes them perfect to hold up long pieces of wood on miter saw tables. You can buy this system about $409. It helps make cutting safer and more exact. You can set it up, fine-tune its height, and count on its strong build. It fits almost any miter saw setup. Bessey K Body Revo 2 Clamp System. The Bessey boasts a handle that rotates for comfort, a lever to adjust, and a deep throat design with pads to prevent swaying. This setup exerts up to 1,700 pounds of force to clamp, allowing it to hold panels, edge banding, and complex shapes, and its price ranges from $65 to $80. The system's adaptable construction and large surfaces for parallel clamping make it perfect for woodworking tasks that need strong, steady grips. Kreg Original Face Clamp. The Kreg Original Face Clamp has a design for pocket hole joinery. It gives strong clamping force and has a powder-coated finish to resist wear. This clamp works well to assemble cabinets and for jig work. It costs about $30. The clamp has large surfaces to spread pressure. It also has a padded handle for comfort and adjusts to different material thicknesses. Next up is a cool tool for dust collection that will make your work area clean. You'll love this. Oneida Air System Super Dust Deputy. The Oneida Air System Super Dust Deputy is a small Cyclone-type dust separator. It has a patented 2-stage Cyclone action to remove more than 99% of dust and debris before it gets to your dust collector. This cuts down on how often you need to empty bags and unclog filters. It costs about $140, is made of stainless steel, and works with most stationary dust collection systems. It helps keep your workshop clean and makes your filters last longer. These 10 woodworking gadgets will change your workshop. They'll make it faster, more precise, and safer. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.